Understanding Living in the Past, a guide to common English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have heard but might not fully understand: living in the past. We'll break down what it means, how to use it, and why it's an important expression to know. So, let's get started. Living in the past is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is overly nostalgic or who constantly dwells on previous events, experiences, or periods of time, often to the detriment of their present life. This phrase suggests that the person is not fully engaging with the present or making plans for the future because they are too caught up in what has already happened. To help you understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. In personal relationships, if someone always talks about their high school achievements without acknowledging their current life, you might say they are living in the past. In work or professional settings, a business that refuses to adopt new technologies or methods because things were better before can be described as living in the past. Cultural contexts: sometimes, entire societies can be accused of living in the past if they hold on to outdated traditions or resist progress. Recognizing when you or someone else is living in the past is crucial for several reasons. Personal growth: it's hard to grow, learn, and improve if you're stuck in what happened yesterday. Mental health: dwelling on the past can lead to sadness, regret, and even depression. Relationships: living in the past can strain relationships with people who are focused on the present or future. While it's okay to reminisce and honor the past, it's important to live in the present and plan for the future. Here are a few tips on how to stop living in the past. Mindfulness and meditation: these practices can help you focus on the present moment. Setting goals: creating future objectives gives you something to look forward to. Seeking support: sometimes, talking to a friend or a professional can help you move forward. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning of living in the past, and why it's important to balance our reverence for the past with our engagement in the present and future. Remember, it's the experiences we create today that will be the memories we cherish tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.